Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can activate your child's Sun Bucks card. So to activate your child's Sun Bucks card, you have to call the EBT customer service line at 1-888-997-1117. And then you just have to enter the 16-digit card number. And then to authenticate the card, you will need the last four digits of the child's social security number. So the child's date of birth, which is in date, month, and year format, and also the child's mailing address or the zip code. So if the child's social security number is not on file, you will need to call the Sunbox helpline at 1-833-323-7482 for the number needed to activate the Sunbox card. So here is also the PIN options. So you have to enter each digit slowly. So please note that the PIN selected with any of the below patterns are not allowed. So these numbers are just given, they don't work. Okay. So first is the identical digits, the consecutive digits, numbers that start with one or more zeros, one last four digits of the cardholder's social security number, the cardholder's birth date, and the cardholder's year of birth. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can activate your your Sunbox card. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!